A new Windows Defender update is literally making Windows machines unusable. Apparently, a new rule added to Defender via a recent update is removing access to all applications. And this is because it deletes the Start menu, Taskbar, and Desktop shortcuts which you can actually use to launch apps. So in this case, you would literally need to dive into program files in order to find the executable file so that you can actually use your software. Also, by the way, please leave a like and maybe follow this channel. The update is, of course, causing a nightmare for IT admins, and the only solution at this point might be to literally recreate all the shortcuts manually. Again, Microsoft, do you even test your updates? So this is actually a very scary failed update coming out from Microsoft at this point, because I mean, if this happened to me, I would not be thinking there was an update, even though, I mean, Microsoft's track record would lead me to believe that. But I would not think this was an error that was caused by an update, because it doesn't really make sense. I would assume that I must have downloaded some piece of shady software and I must have some sort of ransomware on my computer, which would probably lead me to go into full panic mode, you know, possibly just turn off my PC entirely and just get a new install going, and then just get everything off of my hard drives and stuff like that, or SSDs. So yeah, this is pretty bad. Obviously, this is causing a nightmare for IT admins, but I'm more concerned, honestly, about just regular users that would be freaked out by such a thing and not really know how to do. I mean, if you can't really launch any of your programs, that's a big problem. Obviously, you could probably go into command prompt and do it that way, but 99.9% of people don't know how to do that. And it's not like you can just Google everything easily as well, because well, your browser shortcut is also gone. So this is just such a nightmare. And right now they're saying that the rule that they have added to the Defender, I believe they've removed that. You need to remove it if you want to have any actual shortcuts. But the problem is, can now they just release an update that will actually restore all of those shortcuts, or will they just need to be added back in manually, which is obviously a big hassle. So Microsoft, like, seriously guys, I mean, I know you do test your updates, but if you could just like actually test your updates, that would be just fantastic.